Good morning. I'm Pilappan. I own an Alina IFB washing machine, which is under 2 years AMC. There was a problem in the washing machine, which was promptly reported to the call center of the company. The authorized franchisee who was given the task to resolve the problem could not diagnose the problem and took a lot of time to even diagnose the problem. He kept on changing multiple parts, which later we realized was not even required for changing. Frustrated with the approach of the service center, I approached Consumer Education Research Center. Vipul Bhai of the Consumer Education Research Center (CERC) followed up on my behalf with the IFB Service Center as well as the IFB company, and finally the problem got resolved. It may be noted that from the first day when I reported the problem to the company to the resolution, a total 40 days had elapsed and multiple parts were changed, which, as I told earlier, were unnecessary changes that were done. Anyway, thanks to CERC for helping me out with the resolution of the problem. It's a wonderful organization, a non-profit organization that helps consumers to fight get their resolution for their problem against giant multinationals and giant and Indian companies. Thank you CRC once again. Thank you, Vipul Bhai.